How to fix Cash App won't let me add a debit card. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cash App won't let you add a debit card. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the app homepage. After that, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your account, as you can see here. The section has options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. After that, make sure you scroll down. Continue scrolling until you reach this section at the bottom of the screen. After that, tap this option here named Support. The page will then start loading, as you can see here. Finally, you will come to this page where there are options that you can use to get solutions you face on the app. From those options, scroll through them. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Finally, tap this option here named Adding Money. You will then be taken to this other page here where you will see many different options that are related to the Adding Money option. From them, make sure you tap this option here named Add Money. After that, you will be taken to this other page here where you will find many different options that are all related to the Add Money option. Under the page, there are more options. Next, scroll through these options here and tap this one named Problem Linking Card or Bank Account. After doing that, this other page opens where there are options related to the issue at hand. Also, Cash App is trying to give you information on solutions to the issue you are facing. Make sure you read it carefully to get a better understanding of it. After that, scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach here. Next, from the options that are here, make sure you tap this one here named Problem Linking Debit Card. Finally, this page appears. On the page, there are steps shown on how to link your debit card. If you have tried those steps and nothing worked for you, then scroll to the bottom of the screen. After that, go to this section here named Contact Us. Under the section, there is another option named Chat. Make sure you tap on it. You will then land on this feedback box where you must type a short message explaining the issue you are facing to the support team. Make sure you explain to them carefully. Finally, send them a message and give them time. They'll respond to you with a solution. That is how to fix Cash App won't let me add a debit card.